My name is Jose. Merci beaucoup. I came to South Africa in 2010 as kit manager and I never left. People have said I have changed football forever because of my tactics. Unorthodox, a little. Voila! Excellent, no? Very good. And the fans, they even give me South African name.
Coach Masibuko, that guy and his formations. Yo.
Formations is the key.
Yes, coach!
Before Coach Mazibuko came along, it was all about 4-4-2, 4-3-3 formations.
Tomorrow, 7-2-1.
He's bringing new things to the game, you know? Different formations, different, it's a different mindset.
9-0-1! Very good!
Unconventional coach Jose Mazibuko came out of nowhere and continues to dominate.
1-2-7.
1-2-7!
You know, he's certainly been innovative in his approach.
1 week I'm a striker,
Are you defender or striker? Again, I don't know.
next week I'm a defender.
9-0-1!
You always need to keep your opponent guessing.
How does he do it?
These three come across and...
Pourquoi pas?
And my favorite, the 1-1-8.
Win after win, win after win.
Yabona mhlanje ngizokudefeatha nge-super 1-1-8 formation kacoach Mazibuko.
His formations are magic. Just magic.
He could coach in any top league in the world, but insists on staying in South Africa.
Coach Masibuko.
He's a special one, that's for sure.
How do you think he comes up with these unorthodox formations?
Je suppose they'll never know.
208, order 208.